Today we will sing Renuka Geetam, which was authored by Kavyakanta Ganapati Muni, who was a disciple of Sri Ramana Maharshi. Surashiraschara Charana Renuka Jagadadhishwari Jayati Renuka Devata Shiro Deshalalitam Renuka Padam Dishatu Me Mudam Kundali Puri Mandanam Maha Kimapi Bhasatam Mama Sada Hridi Astakaitavam Vastu Shashvatam Asti Me Sada Shastadam Hridi Adinarite Padapankajam Spuratu Me Manas Sarasije Sada Kevalam Pado Sevakosmite Vedmine Tarad Veda Sannute Hridayate Nuna Samuchito Nuna Parichayombika Padarenuna Pahi Munchava Padapankajam Tridasha Sannute Natyajamite Sharanamambate Yonishevate Punarayam Kuchau Dhayati Kim Kriti Aharahombate Rahasi Chintaya Dhanyatam Gato Nanyadarthaye Smarajito Yatha Shirasi Janhavi Janani Renuke Manasite Kripa Amba Pahimam Dambatapasi Padakanjayo Adikinkaram Putramatmana Punyakirtane Bahukripe Kuto Mamupekshase Amba Samstute Jambavairina Pahimamimam Magnamapadi Tattvavadina Sattvashalini Tvamaje Viduhu Satsvarupini Tvam Prachakshate Sadayavikshite Veda Vedino Modarupini Samvidam Vidus Tvamidam Prasum Paramayogina Paramadaivate Janani Kundali Puranivasini Parashuramavat Pashyamamimam Tanayarodanam Shravanashalini Shunusurarchite Yadidaya Hridi Yachakasuto Bhajanamipsitam Tadapi Dullabham Kimidamambike Mastu Vetanam Chinnamastake Bhajanamevate Yachyate Maya Taralataraya Jwalanadhirgaya Sanukampaya Shitapataya Kevalam Drisha Pashyarenuke Tena Me Shubham Nacha Tava Shubham Kinkari Bhavat Suravilasini Jayati Kundali Nagaravasini Madhuramambate Charana Pankajam Tatra Yadratai Styajyate Khilam Charanamambate Charatu Me Hridi Yamanamaye Prarthana Mama Bhujaga Kankana Prabhriti Samstute Bhuja Bhava Marer Janani Pahimam Kundali Puri Mandanayita Ganapati Stuta Jayati Renuka